Hey guys, I stopped done recording a bunch of music and this guy over here is watching YouTube, not Musical.ly Savage. Don't mind remember the sensory pop because he's gonna come back and turn the light off. But today we are playing the world's easiest game. Once my brother turns the light off, I'm gonna take off my webcam. Oh, no more about that now. I apologize. My brother's coming.
Oh my god!
What?
I was gonna lay down.
Yeah, Jen, you can lay down. But I need to lay on to record.
I think you have my mouth.
I'm recording a video. Shut the door.
And when you put it
You can turn the light off. You can turn the light off when I'm done. So, this is the world's easiest game. Welcome to the world's easiest game. Okay. Blah 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 blah. I'm Quizzy Cat, and due to the I cannot stand the sight of difficult questions. All of the following questions will be easy. I mean really easy. Don't make them difficult or you will fail. Like me, you will have 9 lives and 9 lives only. I'll be timing you, so get ready. I know most players like this. Blue made of cheese. What is a round red rubber ball made of? Rubber! Which one is the United States? I live in the United States. Which is heavier? A pound of Goose Brothers or a pound of what? They're both a pound, so they're neither. I'm smart. You think I'm dumb? I'm smart. There are 8 miles of wood by your house. How far can you walk into the wood? Bro, I keep on running into the question and they go like, no burgers, this is not halfway. Halfway? Yes! I got halfway. What is it? I'm kidding. It's 7. There's a pair. Okay. Yes. Wait 10 seconds. Should we dance a little bit? I think so. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So basically, you need to look at this number right here that I'm highlighting, and you minus 1. So 9. None. Bread. Isn't it bread? Yeah, bread. Bro, it's 0. Didn't have to do the math. Aqua is another word for water. Press the K button, like on your keyboard. No. Okay. I'm so dumb. 4-letter word. Color of this sun early in the morning. Wouldn't it be rose? I want to say gold. But also there's roses.
Yeah, I'm not the one here the most of the time.
Do you know what steak this is? Stop. Is it in North Carolina? I honestly think it's North Carolina. Yeet. 4-letter word. You can tune a guitar, but you can't tune a fish. Tune a fish. You have 5 candy bars in a bowl. You take 3 out. 3 out. This is 6, but pretend it's 3. You take 3 out. How many candy bars do you have? Now this is... Let me tell you. This confuses a lot of people because you have 5 in a bowl. You take out 3. You take out 3, and it doesn't say you eat it, so you still have 5. That confuses a lot of people. I'm putting my webcam down here. Which one is the Grammar Nancy Beware. Which is correct? Do you want to go to the mall with John and me? Do you want to go to the mall with John and I? See, this is a tricky one. You always have to take out John and then see which one is right. Like, do you want to go to the mall with me? Do you want to go to the mall with I? Do you want to go to the mall with John? Do you want to go to the mall with John and me? This is too easy! Which hand do you still
Okay, I'm not trying. I'm trying your best.
This is actually a trick question because you don't stir soup. You eat soup, not stir soup. You gotta listen to the words. How many days are in a normal calendar? Oh, 3. I thought I asked for months. What color is it? Yeah. Click the button. Eat. Chicago. Maybe this weekend we can record some. I don't get this one at all. So, I had 27 flowers. Sadly, all but 14 died. How many are left?
Huh?
27 minus 14 is 13. Oh look, 13. Incorrect. What is this? Yeah, you go pee.
Yeah, you go pee.
I said that on camera. The word soon.
Stop jumping.
Which one is an elephant? This the one. This one right here. Stop touching my backdrop. What do you do? What do you do my backdrop? 22.
I see 22.
It's gonna be 2000.
I see 22.
Let's count. Let's count all these puppies.
And puppets. I mean puppies.
I'm pretty sure there are 101. Yeah, I'm smart.
100. 100 and multiple for 100 and 2.
No, his favorite number is 101. So. Hey, baby, why are you in your diaper? Mommy, no teaching, no baby.
Jeff also puts your radio food. No, be naked. This
is 1.1.
What's a baby? What happened? Yeah. Good. What is this lying?
Okay. Forward over. I'm set for tree joke.
It's a styrofoam.
Haha, get it? Tree joke.
It's a baby wood.
I'm set for tree joke.
It's a bird. It's a bird. Look out. Look out. Look out. Look out. I didn't mean to mean like it. I didn't mean like
13. And you're well, comment down below. Comment down below. Like, subscribe, hit that bell button, ding, and see you next time.